Paid ads are the only way to get customers online. Sounds familiar? Many believe that investing in Google or Facebook ads is the only way to drive patient inquiries. In reality, they can give you a quick boost, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Relying solely on ads? That's expensive and not a long-term strategy. The real power is organic growth. SEO and strong content generate ongoing, cost-effective patient leads. That's how you grow sustainably and keep your schedule full. I'm a respiratory care therapist. I know what works to position you as the trusted choice, not just a name in search results. Want to discover what's missing in your marketing? DM or call me for a free strategy consultation.